Assalamu alaikum. So in this video, I'm going to cover how you can send your online class invitation to your students using Google Calendar, and I'm going to also cover how you can disable email notifications from the participants. So at first, to enable these features, you have to have a Google account, and then just search in Google Calendar. So going to the Google Calendar, so this is the calendar that I have, and from here you have to actually create an event. So while creating an event, there are different types of alarm systems you can use in calendar: event, out of office, reminder, or appointment slots. So I'm going to create an event. So suppose I have an online class, so class with section O1, and the class is scheduled on Saturday, so it's 30th May, and the class is scheduled on um, 10 a.m. and 10 to 11:30 is fine. Then I have to add guests here, and I have add Google Meet video conferencing. So just by clicking this button, Google Meet link is already created here, and I want to also add some descriptions. I have pre-written this descriptions. I'm just copying it. So hope you are doing fine. Please join the online class using the Google Meet. Before joining the class, please enroll my classes in BLC, and then I'm excited to see you all in the class. And this is the description, basic description, and then I want to add the guests here. So I have the emails of my students of this O1 section here. So I'm just copying the emails from an Excel, and then just pasting it, and just clicking on the other side. So it will also generate the emails to them. And the one more thing that I want to add here is that while creating an event, it's not only for you. You can also choose the classes, the group you have already in Google Classroom. So I have the Google Classroom of summer 2020, this one section O1. So I have created this event for my that online class only. Okay, so just by using this save options, this will create the classroom, and this will give the Google Meet code to all the participants. So I'm just doing it. So would you like to send invitations, emails to Google Calendar guests? So obviously I want to send. So these are the lists. So one thing that we also want, that if some students are actually accepting these invitations, then we don't want to get email notifications. And there will be um, hundreds of emails for each week's classes, so we want to disable this one. So for that purpose, you have to click on this thing. We have this my calendar option. As I'm logged in with my account, and my name is showing first. So this three dots, this kebab menu, you have to use, and click on the settings and sharing. So in the setting, you have different types of settings. You have to just go to the other notifications, and other notifications have the process of email notifications. So if there is a new email, a new event, I want to get an email. If the event is changed or cancelled, I want to get emails. But event responses, by default, it actually uh, selects the email, but I have just kept it none. So the guests respond to an event on this calendar, I have selected none, so I will not get any email from the guests that I have sent the notification. So one more thing is I want to add in this video about how you can understand if your students have joined, are willing to join the class or not. So this is a event that I have created on 18th May. So in this here you can see that there were 32 gets, and 9 of them said yes, and 23 are waiting. So after clicking here, those who have selected yes, I can see the tick mark on their profile pictures. So this is already done, so we don't have to get the emails. We can see this tick marks here, and we can understand how we have done it. And also in this event you can see that yes, and so this Google Drive. So after taking the Google Meet recording, when the record is done, it is also linked in your Google Drive, a folder called Meeting Records, and this is the Google. This is the recording of my first class, and also you can see this is the Google Drive link. And there is also another feature called this is a SVV file included in the Google Drive, where I can see that the messages that I have, the chat we have used in the Google Meet during that session. So that is all from this video. Thank you.